In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign out of Gmail. Whether you're using a shared computer or just need to switch accounts, it's important to know how to properly sign out to ensure your personal information stays secure. Let's walk through this straightforward process together, ensuring you can do it with confidence whenever needed. First, let's get started by opening up Gmail in your web browser. This step is as simple as entering the Gmail URL or clicking on a bookmark if you've saved it. Once you're on the main Gmail page, you should see your inbox ready and waiting for you. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the page layout if you're not overly familiar. Now, direct your attention to the top right corner of your page. You'll notice either your profile picture, if you've set one, or possibly the first initial of your name. This area is where you need to focus next. Go ahead and click on your profile picture or initial. Doing so will open up a drop-down menu that provides you with several options associated with your account. It's a useful menu where you can manage your Google account preferences, check your privacy settings, and of course, sign out. This is the menu that helps you maintain control over your account settings, making it more than just a simple sign out option. In the drop-down, you'll see the link that says Sign Out. If you have more than one account signed in, look for the option that says Sign out of all accounts instead. This is an especially important tip for those who manage multiple Gmail accounts, as it ensures that all accounts are safely logged out. By signing out of all accounts, you prevent any accidental access to your other accounts, which can be particularly useful on public or shared devices. Once you've clicked that Sign Out option, your session will end, and you'll be navigated back to the main Google sign-in page. This ensures that your personal email data is no longer accessible from this browser session, giving you peace of mind, especially if you are stepping away from the computer. And there you have it, a quick and straightforward way to sign out of Gmail. Remember, regularly signing out of your accounts, especially on public or shared devices, is a good security practice. It's these small actions that help keep your personal information safe and secure. Knowing how to sign out efficiently ensures that you keep your data protected and maintain your privacy. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more helpful tips and guides.